It is day number 2, and Lenka and I are going to see what today?
Foz of Iguazu, the waterfalls from Brazilian side.
Yep, from the Brazil side. Like yesterday in Argentina was just completely like mind-blowing with the natural beauty. So it'll be interesting to see the other side of it from Brazil today, and just give you guys a quick vibe. Like we just got dropped off by a taxi, and we're walking, and there's just people from just all over the world coming here and enjoying the sights, and it's just awesome atmosphere, to be honest. People here in Brazil are so nice and just hospitable, real laid back. I love hearing the mixture of Spanish, Portuguese, English being spoken, and yeah, it's just so cool, so cool. So we love you. We're gonna go check it out and report back.
Bye.
We are on the bus.
Insetos ou rochas de seu lugar natural e não jogue lixo no chão. Seja um visitante responsável, pois suas ações ajudam a preservar o parque. Recomendes Institute for Biodiversity.
Okay, so we are making our descent down to one of the waterfalls on the Brazilian side. This is our friend Jesse from Netherlands, and both got a beautiful shot of a butterfly. So it looks like trail ends there. It's kind of a lookout platform, if you guys can see the waterfalls in the distance. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, shall we? Okay. So I remember yesterday being on the other side, seeing people on these walkways and miradores, or lookout points. So it's cool to see them from the other side today. Just stunning. We were talking yesterday about how there were so many elements that had to come together for this to happen, and was just speculating how much time it may have taken for all of this to manifest, for it to come together. Alright guys, so we're maybe a quarter way through this trail, and we got a pretty wide opening to the right here. And check this out. Like, you're just walking down the path and you're like, oh, look at this over here. Just dozens and dozens of tiny waterfalls. It's kind of hard to express or to see in the video the perspective or the distance, but those are probably, I'd say, maybe 300 yards away, and we're probably sitting up about, I don't know, maybe 10 stories, maybe 100 feet or so. Yeah, so yeah, this trail is a little more relaxed because we're walking on concrete slabs, wooden fence next to us, where on the Argentinian side we had the metal grates, which are a little more narrow, So you felt a little more congested with the crowds, but not too bad. Oh, check this out. You see these animals here? These are the Coatis. And we've occasionally seen a few of them walk by, but look how cute these things are. Oh my gosh. Look at them, look at them. So again, these are the guys that will eat the coffee berries and poop out the beans, and then they clean them and roast them, and it's supposed to be some of the best coffee you can get. And I've had it a few times in parts of Peru, and you know, as gross as poopy coffee sounds, it was really good. Look at this guy. Oh my god, these things are so cute. I can't take it. Look at him. What are you waiting for, man? What's he want in there? What do you want, buddy? Yeah. You just want to be pet. You just want to be pet. Yeah. Hi, man. He's like, nope. He's like, I don't want that. Babe, what do you think about these Coatis?
I love them. I cannot speak to them.
I know. I'm just saying the same thing. They're just too much. Look at them. Wow. Oh man. This guy. Wow. All right, guys, and that pretty much wrapped up the day on the Brazilian side. Just realized while editing this video that there wasn't a formal, ending clip for you guys. I guess it got just lost in the files. But thank you so much for your time viewing this. Hopefully, if you haven't been to Foz de Iguacu before, this video and others like it prompts you to get down there. Well, depending on where you live in the world. But it was just absolutely spectacular on so many levels. We've all seen waterfalls before, but the way in which you can see them here, and the way the park is so well manicured, and what you can see while you're there is just simply beyond words. So yeah, I hope that you guys go someday. If there's any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you liked the video, please give it a like. And of course, if this kind of information, content intrigues you, if you're interested in it, please subscribe to the channel. I'm somewhat new to the travel vlogging, I guess you could say, but I'm going to try to be pretty active with getting videos uploaded. So bear with me on that, but just want to give a kind of a no-nonsense, off-the-cuff view of what some of these remarkable places of the world, and especially South America, look like without too much glamour and special effects, if you know what I mean. All right, but yeah, signing off. Thanks again. Love you guys. Take care, and see you on the next one.